in this question, we're going to talk about compound interest on the notes section of our calculators. I'm going to again assume that you've got all of this already typed into your calculators. If you need to pause it, do so now. Just remember that this part needed to be written in a math box because of the n to the power. If you don't actually have that written down, it's okay as long as you know what the formula is for working out compound interest. We're going to talk about the same question as we did in the simple interest video, this time for compound. So 5,000 is invested at 6% per annum for 7 years. This time, the total amount is going to be worked out. So again, we go to a math box and we define A with a dot equals as the question marks. We're going to try and work out what the total amount is. The P, the initial price, is $5,000. Remembering we're using the dot equals. The rate, control M, R dot equals. The rate was 6%. The number of periods, we go to control M, N, control dot equals. The number of periods this time is 7 because it's compounded annually. So in this example, we then have to simply use the solve exactly like we did in simple interest a little bit earlier. So we go to solve A equals P. Then really importantly, we need to hit times bracket. It's so important that we have that there or else it will not give us an answer at all. We then go 1 plus R, close the bracket, hit to the power of N. We then go to the right, comma, question mark. Then we hit solve and we can see a strange answer like that. But when we hit control enter, we can see that our answer is 7,518. So the A equals $7,518.15, don't forget. This time, we need to work out what the interest is. So we need to go A minus P. So the total amount at the end, $7,518.15 minus the starting price, which was 5,000. So the interest in this case, the same variables, but using compound interest instead of simple interest, was $2,518.15. So if we look and if we analyze simple interest versus compound interest, you can see that if this was a loan, if we've invested this money in a bank, it would be better for us to be compounding it rather than using simple interest because we've made $2,500 rather than $2,100 over the 7-year period. Again, very similar to simple interest when we are using different questions. So this one says 10,000 is invested at 4% for 10 years. So we change it to 10,000, 4%, 10 years, and we can see that this time, the total amount is $14,802.40. We then would work out the interest, and that was the end price minus the starting price, which was $10,000. And we can see that the interest on this problem is $4,802.40. Again, the difference being this one was 4,000 and this one is 4,800. So it is important that you understand that for compound interest, it will be higher than using simple interest.